Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elnaz. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I declutter, organize, and clean my fridge. I know guys, I know it's the worst chore ever. I do it a couple times a year and hopefully today I can motivate you at home to do the same. I also be sharing with you some tips of how I store and clean my fruits and veggies to help them last longer. If you're interested, please keep on watching, and if you enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe below. Let's take a look.
As you can see, it's pretty messy. It's really hard to keep the fridge neat and clean at all times with having two toddlers at home. The way I always wash my fruits and veggies is filling a large bowl with water and add some white vinegar and let them soak for a couple minutes. This helps to kill all the bacteria and is safe for consumption. Then go ahead and transfer them into the colander and wash them again. Then make sure to let them air dry very well before storing them in the fridge. Drying removes the moisture from the food so bacteria, yeast, and mold cannot grow and spoil the food. If you don't want to spend money for containers, you can just wash the original plastic container and let it air dry. When it's all air dried, go ahead and grab a paper towel, fold it in half, and put back your washed fruits and vegetables. For storing your fresh herbs, put them in the jar of water like a plant. Go ahead and remove everything from the fridge, trash all the expired items, and also remove all the foods that been there over a week. To clean my fridge, I use a detergent with Oxy. I damp my microfiber cloth, and that's how I usually clean. I don't use any product with chemicals, especially where I store my food. Now that the fridge is all clean, go ahead and place all your fruits and veggies in the containers. As you've seen in my previous videos, I prefer not to use labels. By putting label on your containers, you're restricted to only use that one specific product at all times. That's why I usually use clear containers instead. I love these cute containers for storing half lemon and avocado and your onion. Another tip that I can give you guys to prevent discoloration, leave the seed in your avocado when you're storing it. These are my kids' favorite snack. Does your kids have favorite snacks? Please comment below. I would love to hear from you. The way I wipe down my appliances is with damp microfiber cloth with the detergent that has oxy, then I wipe it with the dry microfiber. I listed all the containers that I use in this video below. I hope I motivated you to go ahead and declutter, clean, and organize your fridge. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. And I would love to hear from you guys, so please comment below. See you next time, guys. Bye-bye.